Hey guys, welcome to the video. Let me show you how trailing stop loss works for positions and overall MTM. First, open the single broker trading, choose your preference, choose your trading symbol, all that. And before you place any trades, you have to activate MTM if you want to place MTM stop loss and MTM target. If not, keep this off. So for individual positions, you have to assign your default values here. I have set default value as 21 for stop loss and 42 for target. Now let me use both of them. I'm gonna turn this on and set my stop loss at minus 500 and my target as 1000 rupees. So let me quickly place an order. As you can see, as soon as I placed the order, it grabbed the default values from stop loss and target and added it to the position. So you can modify the stop loss by directly clicking here. Uh, let's say 280. You can click Save Changes to save it. If you want to trail the stop loss, you can simply click this T button, which will toggle the automatic trailing based on the movement. The same applies for MTM. If you want to modify the trailing stop loss for MTM, simply click this and set a value or target and simply click the T button for trailing. It will automatically start trailing your stop loss. You see, as soon as it hit my 493, it immediately closed the positions. It is simple as that. If you have any doubts, post your comments. I will try to respond.